What's going on? What's going on? What's going on with ya? What's going on with ya? Sorry, dog. What's going on, man? What's going on, man? I'm back in here, bro, with another video. You know what I'm saying? Another banger for y'all. And today, bro. Today, I'm bringing them back. I'm trying these out here, bro. Now look, they small. Hell, hear me out. What the fuck, man? Get your... They the small ones, right? So we're gonna try them out. They very small, bro. Hold on. I'm finna show them what they look like, bro. They very small. Look at these things, bro. Look at these things, boy. Look at these things. Little small ass thing, bro. This thing's small, boy. But yeah, we finna try these, and we finna try it with no bed, no drink, no water. No liquids. Like, we finna try nothing with water, bro. And we're finna see how many of these we can eat, bro. But before we get into the video, man, I appreciate y'all for showing support on the videos, for y'all messing with it, commenting on it, and the TikToks and all that I've been doing. I appreciate it. That's real love, you know, real support. I appreciate y'all. So, yeah, we finna get right into the video, bro. We finna do this shit, and I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm not ready. Nigga scared. No cap. But we finna get into this bitch. We finna hop into this bitch right now. Alright, y'all, we here. We here up in this bitch. You know what I'm saying? No! So, we got this motherfucker right here, bro. We were literally finna go in, bro. We just finna go to town with these motherfuckers. Alright, so here we go. Oh. Wow.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on,
Oh my God, bro, it's so bad.
Well, duh.
Why are these so dry? Why are these so dry? What did I do to deserve these to be so dry, bro? These shit's drier than my, bro. This shit drier than my DMs, bro. Like, this shit not cool.
Is this nigga serious?
This shit not cool, bro.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Wait, hold on. Who's on my court? Alright. But we swallowed it. Oh, look. Nothing under the tongue, bro. No, there's no faking, bro. We had no water. We just spit in a cup that had water. Like, it had water in it. I didn't know that, but I spit in the cup because the first two was trash. But we oh my God, we swallowed there, bro. Oh my God, I think I'm gonna kill myself. Oh my God, but I can taste it. I can still, it don't taste like nothing, bro. It's just dry. It's just super dry, bro. Super fucking dry. Oh my God. Oh my God. Bye. We ate 3. That was 3 that we put in our mouth right there. So that's 4. So we had 4, bro. We had 4. Why is this shit so nasty? Alright, bro, this is gonna be the last one. Cause if I do this again, bro, I'm probably gonna kill myself, bro. Like, this is not good. This shit is not good. This shit is ass. This shit is not good. Like, what is this, bro? This thing is butt. But you know what I'm saying? We still gonna try it anyways, because who gives a fuck? Mami, Mario. Bro, this shit pain. Oh, Bob. This is so dry, but I don't think I can do this no more, bro. Shit was ass. Shit was so bad, bro. Shit was bad. I never recommend this to any child. Any child. Any dumbass like me. Don't ever do this. Because I'm a dumbass. As you can see, I'm a dumbass nigga. And I'm doing dumbass shit. Don't do what I'm doing. Please don't. Please don't. But that's the end of this video, man. I hope y'all liked it, bro. I didn't. I didn't. But I hope y'all like it. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all appreciate the video, bro. I mess with y'all, messing with the vids and everything like that. The YouTube shorts, TikToks and everything like that. I appreciate y'all support, bro. We're going to keep on grinding, keep on going. And hopefully we hit 200 subscribers on Friday, which is my birthday. A lot of people don't know that. I kind of just put that out there. All right, do that. Okay. Hopefully no one makes it to the video this far. I'll see y'all guys in the next one. Let's go.